guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I went to my local beauty supply store and I picked up some items for a ponytail. Now I'm a big drawstring ponytail lover, okay? So that's what I picked up, of course, some of my favorite ponytail styles. I have two, so I'm going to be showing you both of these, but just not in this same video. I think what I'm going to go with first is Cara. This is from the brand Sensational. She's really cute. The style is Cara. I have it in the color number 2. Now I have reviewed one of these ponytails from their Lulu collection some time ago here on my channel, but it was called Mimi, okay? And I even said it was named after me because, you know, that's my nickname as well. But yeah, so I think we're gonna go with the Lulu ponytail. But both of these ponytails that I have can be found on some of the most popular online beauty supply stores. I'll have them linked down below, as well as Amazon links, just in case you're interested. But I'll probably be showing you this one towards the end of the week because they're drawstring ponytails, girl. That's the beauty of having a drawstring. You can kind of switch them up. But yeah, so I have another one too that I ordered online from Sam's Beauty. I'll be showing you all of those. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But meanwhile, this is the ponytail that we're going to get into. This is Cara. She's cute, and they have her in a low ponytail style. So as you see, you can wear it low if you want. I do want to do that one day as well, but I always fancy a high ponytail. So that's what we're going to be doing today because y'all know I love a high ponytail. Okay, so I give you Cara, girl. I bring to you Cara. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and get set up, get everything I need for the ponytail. Ponytails are so quick for me. This is going to take me at least 20 minutes because my hair is already straightened out. My hair is relaxed because a lot of you are going to ask me, how do you get your hair to work with the gel? Because my hair is relaxed, okay? I'm one of those that love the creamy crack, okay? I relax my hair. This is the gel because I'm going to get that question. This is just basic El Cheapo gel. You can pick this up anywhere. Dollar Tree, Dollar Bush, Dollar whatever, Dollar General. Everybody has this, okay? This very same gel. It's like the brown gel. Let me go ahead and show it to you. That clear like brown gel. Look at it. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. But yeah, this is the gel that I use. It works for me. I've been using it for years. Okay, you get like damn near 3 pounds of this for like $1, maybe 2. I like it. It works for me. Alright, what else did I pick up? I picked up some braiding hair. I always use this for my ponytails. I don't know what you might use it for other than, you know, braids, but I find different ways to use this all the time. So I always keep some of this on deck. So if you're not familiar with my pre-wrap method, you'll see that here in the video. So this is the hair. It's just regular braiding hair. Now, if you feel like I'm doing too much, talking too much, feel free to skip because this is my channel. I do things the way I want to over here, okay? Just like everybody else do with their own channels. It's their channels. You can do whatever you want. And I picked up some semi-permanent rinse. I've never done a rinse. Well, I have years and years ago. I want to see what this does for me because my hair always has like a light brown tinge to it, and I got it in the darkest brown. So I'm going to be using this one day, just not today. Alright, so I'm going to put that to the side. Picked up a hair scarf to tie this down with once I'm done. But yeah, this is all we're going to need. Your combs, you're going to need ponytail holders, and some gel. And a blow dryer. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by putting my hair in a ponytail. Alright, once I get it in my desired position, I'm going to start gelling it up. Then I'm going to perfect it using the comb, making sure it's nice and sleek. So now that I have it in my ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and put the gel. Well, I've already been adding gel as I was putting it in the ponytail, but now I'm gonna add more, because I want mine to last at least a week before I wash this down, because that's normally what I do. I wear my ponytails for at least a week before I switch them up. I'm gonna hold the dryer to it. I could do my sit under, but I don't feel like doing all of that. That's a bit much. Holding the dryer gets it pretty stiff, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna tie it down once I have it just the way I want. Now you can use spritz or any other strong holding spray of your choice. I don't use any holding sprays. Only on my pre-wrap do I spray it. But we're almost at the pre-wrap parts. I'm just making sure I have it gelled up really well. If you like to do fun baby hairs, you can do that, or you don't have to. Your choice, your business. I like them. I like baby hairs because that's my business. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so now that I have this, I feel like it's up pretty good. Just making sure it's smooth with the comb. Right. Nice and smooth. No lumps and bumps. Alright, so now I'm gonna just put my hair into a bun. Ponytails are just quick and easy fun styles for me, so this is what it's gonna look like. Alright, now this is where I kind of get my baby hair parts together, so I'm gonna do that real quick and then we'll be ready to do the pre-wrap. Gotta go kind of fast because I got stuff to do. I got somewhere to be. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and harden it a bit. Just blow it dry just a little bit. Now we're gonna go in with our braiding hair to do our pre-wrap to give it that extended ponytail look. And you don't have to have the pre-stretched hair for this. It's actually better done without the pre-stretched hair. But this is what we got. This is what I saw first. It works, so we're gonna make it do what it do. I hate taking it out of this little bundle. You use as little or as much as you need, but you don't really need a whole lot for it. Because honey, I use this pack for a long time for my ponytails. It lasts me for a long time. So now I'm gonna so here we go. This is how much hair I'm using. And you can start wherever you want with this. Start with wherever you're comfortable with starting your pre-wrap. I like to start it kind of at the end and put it in a good position to where I can bobby pin, hairpin, whatever you say, at the base of my ponytail. And then I'll wrap it to where the pin is concealed. You won't even see the pin. Just like that. Stick a little dot of gel right there. Helps it to be a little more sticky too. And it's okay if we're losing hair as you go, because I like to go ahead and get all the frizzies and strays out of the way. There we go. Now we're just gonna wrap it around. Make sure it's nice and neat and straight. And you can make this as tall or as short as you like. Cut some of this off the ends. And you can kind of fan it a bit. There we go. Alright. And once you get to the end, you're going to just put another pin to secure it. And I pin it downward into my bun. Now this is what I do for my hair length now. This is my hair length. I've only done this on myself. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm Mesha's personal hairdresser. So I only know how this works on my length of hair. I've never had to do this for anybody else. Probably won't do this for anybody else. But this is just what I do. And I'm going to wrap a little gel around it. Then I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be Glue spray and spray it and then blow dry it to where it's nice and crisp. And girl, it just stays in place. It does not move. This is like the best hairstyle ever for me. I love it. I'm just gonna take another pin. I'm gonna tighten it, but I like to squeeze it just a little more to make it extra tight. Ta-da! Straight down in there. Then I'm gonna take my blasting spray and spray it just like that. See that? Now hard already. Alright. Pretty hard. Good to go. Loving it. Now we're ready for our ponytail. Alright, so now we're going to go in with Cara Girl by Sensational from the Lulu Pony line. Don't skip over that description box, because if I find these, everything will be right there, okay? And as you saw and as you heard, because I did show this in a previous vlog, I picked this up in my local beauty supply store. I did not get mine online, nor is this video sponsored in any type of way. But girl, this is the ponytail. Oh, she is so cute. I love a deep wave, body wave style ponytail. These are so cute. I love my straight ones too. I love that ocean wave that I bought. You guys are going to see that one really soon too. We're probably going to close out this year in ponytails. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on those notifications. So right now I'm just cutting this little tag off my ponytail, because we are just about done. This is a quick and easy style. So again, this is the ponytail. Look at it. Girl, she is pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Again, this is Cara. Now this is how I install mine. Of course, I have a substantial amount of hair in my ponytail. I've always done this. Now if you like to stick yours down here, do that. If that's what you do. I mean, if that's what you have to do, I get it. Just what you gotta do. But I put mine right in here. This is a comb. Once you stick that comb in and you secure the bottom, girl, it's not going anywhere. If you're scared, just say you're scared. You don't have to do this. This is my method. I'm just showing you what it is that I do. Okay, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just sharing. Okay, you don't have to do anything I do here on this channel. You don't. But I'm gonna record it and bring it to you anyway, because that's just what I do. But look at that. Beautiful. And now you're gonna ask me, well, what you do with the cord? You could cut it, but I don't suggest that, because you stand to mess up the ponytail and then you can't use it again, because it'll be hard to put it back on if you've cut it, because once you've expanded it out to take it off, now you've kind of lost the string and you'll probably have to restring it. It's just the worst. So what I like to do is coil it up really, really tight. And I have a method where I stick it directly back into the socket of the ponytail and you never see it. Like right there. Bam, it's in there. It's in there. Look at that. Drawstring ponytail secured. Alright girl, this is Cara. Cara is so cute. I feel so cute now. I love this style of ponytail. It's my absolute favorite. When you wear it high, it's not super long. I know it looks super long, but it's really not. This is like the perfect length for me. I love a cute genie ponytail. But yeah, girl, let me know what you think. You can hate on it if you want to, but you like it though. But you can hate, but I know you like it. She's too cute. I love it, love it, love it. But yeah, girl, that is it for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. So be on the lookout for Cara in your local beauty supply store. I picked her up for she was either $14.99 or $12.99. Either way, she's super affordable, super cute. Love it, girl. Love it. Yes, push through. Bye.